Hi friends, my name is Ishwar. I am an SAP PP and QM consultant. I work in IT industry as a SAP PP and QM consultant. PP means production planning and QM means quality management module. So I have 8 years of experience as a consultant. So I thought of sharing my knowledge in the form of recorded video in the YouTube. So this will be helpful for the people who are going to start or choose SAP as a career, and also for the experienced consultants. This videos and my sessions would be helpful to them also. So in SAP PP, these are the course contents which I'll be covering throughout my videos. The first topic which we'll be going to discuss is master data and master data types. See, master data means, like in SAP, master data means it contains the information related to material, where the material data contains the information of all the departments involved in it. For example, purchasing department, inventory, warehouse department, production department, sales department, like this. Of the material data will be maintained related to all kinds of departments for this material. So the master data varies, depends upon the different departments. And in SAP, the master data varies according to the master data involves material master, bill of materials, work center, routing, and production version. It is a master data related to PP. And there are different types of master data according to the manufacturing processes. So what are the manufacturing processes involved in SAP PP is discrete manufacturing process, repetitive manufacturing process, process manufacturing process. Apart from this, we have one more process called Kanban process, which we'll be going to learn in future. If possible, if time permits, I'll try to explain those also. So yeah, the master data varies, depends upon the manufacturing process also. For example, see, for discrete manufacturing process, the master data includes material master, BOM, work center, routing, production version. For repetitive manufacturing process, the master data includes material master, BOM, work center, rate routing, production version, product cost collector. And for process manufacturing, the master data includes discrete material master, BOM, works and resource, master recipe, and production version. So don't worry about all this terminology which may be new to you. So we will be discussing about each and every material master and every topic in detail, okay, in future, in coming videos. So SOP is sales and operations planning. It is a tool. It is a planning tool in SAP. With the help of this tool, we can plan. We can plan for the say we can plan the production activities, uh, depend upon the sales, production and inventory. Like we can also, this is a short-term planning. This is a short-term planning tool which we can be used in SAP. It is an inbuilt SAP tool, uh, where we can plan the future demand for not for so long. It's a future demand for short-term period only. So yeah, we'll be in this SOP means, again, it's further classified into two types: standard SOP, flexible SOP. We'll going to learn in depth about these planning tools in coming videos. And the demand process. The demand process means here, in any company, manufacturing activity will be carried out, right? Before manufacturing process, they simply don't start manufacturing process without planning, right? They have to have some planning involved. If you plan for more, the inventory cost will increase. If you plan for less, then the demand will increase. So in order to maintain supply and demand, there will be a demand plan. The demand will be planning will be done as per by doing forecasting. As per the business requirement, they will do the forecast for 6 months, 5 years based on the forecast. And there are many planning strategies involved in SAP. Like there are two planning strategies, for example, make to stock. Another one is make to order planning strategies. So we will be going to explain in make to stock planning strategies. Again, there are planning strategies like 10, 11, 30, and 40. It means how we are going to manufacture the product based which strategy we are using in order to manufacture the product. The strategy will defines. So demand planning will tells what is in how much is to manufacture. Demand management tells how in which way we are going to manufacture. In which way means by which planning strategy we are going to use the manufacturing activity. And one more topic is MRP procedure. MRP procedure involves material requirement planning. There are various MRP procedures. The MRP procedures are material requirement planning, master's production schedule, and consumption based planning. And production order execution. Production order execution involves the come to the end-to-end production cycle from raw meat from production order release, production order creation to bringing that product to finished product to stock. And production order creation and availability check, production order release and goods issue, confirmation and goods receipt, scheduling and capacity planning. Again, we have some automatic functionalities in order to do goods issue and goods receipt. So we can see all these topics. We can learn about all these topics in detail in the coming session. So what is long-term planning is similar to the SOP, but here long-term planning is basically the future planning, which the business will do in simulation mode. For example, if business is monthly producing a quantity of 10,000 cars per month, if in future the business may gets the demand of manufacturing of like 5,000 5,000 units per month. So does business have that much of capacity, labor, and availability of vendor for supplying the raw materials? So in order to check whether the business has a capability to fulfill all the requirements in future, they have some simulation mode, so that by the simulation mode business will knows whether by this LTP planning, long term planning, business will knows whether they have capacity to meet the future rise of demand. Okay, in future. Basically they will do this activity in simulation mode only. PPPA means it's a product. It's it's again like production planning for process industries. Uh, See here, discrete manufacturing, we have separate type of data involved. In process manufacturing, we have master data like a resource, master recipe, production version, and production order execution. There is separate process. What are the PA sheets of process management we are going to learn? Batch management. What is batch management? Batch creation or production order, automatic batch creation, batch determination, and batch derivation. So this will all going to be learn configuration. So how to configure the master data if required for the as per the business requirement. These are the basically we learn we practice initially based on the existing master data, which is standard. So if business wants some customized master data, means we can customize according to the business requirements. We'll see a bit detail about the configuration process involved for master data, SOP, MRP, order type dependent parameters. So we'll discuss about the detail in coming videos. This is factory calendar, order type, user status, and configuration. Okay. Yeah, this is subcontracting process. Again, the subcontracting will is classified into two types. One is operation level subcontracting, another is assembly level subcontracting. This will be going to learn and co-product and byproduct concept, and where we'll go through PP complete standard tables, rise of concepts. Yeah, I thought I forgot one more topic to add here. I'll add. Okay,